need to comment there.
Why?
Uncle, you need to comment there.
Why, baby? Why?
They won't notice.
Huh?
They won't notice, though. How you filming? Oh! I don't like too bright, you know that's that bit, but I'm not pissed, man.
I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to get into the camera anyway.
What's going on?
Yeah, hello, I'm Turkish. No, stop watching.
What, Ahmed? Is your back alright?
Fucking in that metal bar, right?
Yeah?
Yo!
That metal bar, Ahmed.
Heavy, man.
Shut up.
Media.
Who goes there?
Michael and Ahmed.
What egos there?
I go wet barking.
You go barking?
There's enough.
I'm going home, man.
Hey, Kiri, are you going home? Why?
Oh, go. Football, give mum some jazz.
Ahmed,
I'm that, man.
put that thing way
Naughty
down.
camel! No, it's there!
Ahmed, if the police come, you're fucked.
I don't care. They can't arrest me for being drunk, can I? I ain't driving a car, right?
So are you drunk, Ahmed?
Fuck off, no, I'm not. So what?
But you just said you was, Ahmed.
Who got my phone?
Ahmed! Can I be in? Is that drink yours in the bag?
You want some?
You didn't buy that though, you didn't bought 2 vodka.
Do you want it or not? I've got an extra vodka, do you want it?
Why are you putting a light on my face? You're filming this.
I'm not.
Like it's a camera. If you don't believe me, you'll just like you'll just go to hell.
Okay, I'm going to hell. Twice.
Please get the light on my face.
Shut up.
I'm not sure, Paul. No, give me the light.
What's that guy's name with Ben Spoons?
What?
Yeah, good luck, Liv.
What? Who?
That guy.
I don't know who you're talking about. Sorry. We missed so many buses.
Was that your head? Do it again.
No, I'm not that butters. No, you're
Do
butters.
you use LV for gel?
Philip.
Oh, do you?
He's like my Greek gang.
Yeah, it is. I remember when I used to use that.
I used to.
What, you use gel?